Let's go through some of the questions of Cycle 4a together. The first question, this one. How to do this question? Actually, it's easy. Which of the following pair is the solution for these simultaneous equations? So, for the answers, this one as the x value, and this one is the y value. We need to substitute these two values into the simultaneous equation to see whether this is satisfied. For example, if I substitute the answer A, that is x equals 3 and y equals 6. Can these two equations be satisfied? Let's check it. The first equation is 4x plus y equals 30. On the left side, we have 4 times 3 plus 6, which is 18. And this one, very obvious, not equal to the right side. So, A is not the answer. How about B? That is x equals 4 and y equals 8. Let's check again for the first equation. Left side will become 4 times 4 plus 8, which is 24. Again, not equals to right side. Therefore, B is not the answer. How about C? C, that is x equals 5 and y equals 10. I check for the first equation first. Left side equals 4 times 5 plus 10, which is 30, equal to right side. The first equation is satisfied. We still need to check for the second equation. The second equation, that is this one. Y equals 2x. This one, left side is very obvious. The value of y is 10. And right side is 2 times 5, also 10. Both equations have been satisfied. Therefore, our final answer should be C for this equation. Next question. As I mentioned in the last homework, still some students did not know how to solve these simultaneous equations. Actually, this equation can be decomposed into two equations. The first equation is x minus 2y plus 6 equals 7. This is the first equation. And the second equation is the second part. The second part is x plus 5y equals 7. And now we can solve these two equations to get the answer. Let me show it to you. I will subtract 2 from 1. That is 1 minus 2. And on the left side, we have minus 2y plus 6 minus 5y equals 0. Minus 7y equals minus 6. So y equals 6 over 7. Next, we are going to find the value of x. By substitute this value of y, 6 over 7, into equation 2. Then x plus 5 times 6 over 7 equals 7. S plus 30 over 7 equals 7. And finally, S is equal to 19 over 7. So the answer is A. These questions, most students cannot get the correct answer. This is because they don't know how to handle this equation. Actually, this is a ratio. I can rewrite it as x over y equals 4 over 3. And then 3x equals 4y. So 3x minus 4y equals 0. This is our first equation. And the second equation is this one. 11x plus 2y equals 15. This time, I will use the method of elimination to solve the simultaneous equations. First, I multiply the second equation by 2, which will become now the coefficients of y in equation 1 and equation 3. One is minus 4 and another one is 4. We can add these two equations together to solve the value of s. That is 1 plus 3, we have therefore 25s equals 30 and s equals 6 over 5. And because this is a multiple choice question, there's only one option with s equals 6 over 5. So the answer must be A. We can save time to find the value of y. That's all.